Good day, Ma'am Lailani. I am Lani Andit from BSP 2B. So, ang napili kong poem na gawa ni Rizal is yung Mi Ultimo Adios in Spanish. Pero, ang sinulat ko is English translation niya. So, ibig sabihin nun, My Last Farewell. So, this poem is structured as a 14 stanza. So, it is written in a lyrical and emotional tone. And also, Rizal uses a vivid imagery to evoke the beauty of his homeland and the pain of leaving it behind. So, throughout the poem, he expresses his hope for the future of the Philippines and his confidence in the eventual triumph of the Filipino people. So, ang Mi Ultimo Adios or My Last Farewell is, gawa siya ni Dr. Jose Rizal before his execution on December 30, 1896. So the poem reflects Rizal's love for his country and his acceptance of his impending death as a sacrifice of the Philippines' freedom from Spanish colonial rule. So, in the poem, Rizal bids a farewell to his homeland. So, yung Mi Ultimo Adios, nagsiserve siya as poignant reminder of Rizal's unwavering patriotism and his commitment to the Filipino cause. So, ini-inspire niya din ang mga tao na kahit wala na siya is patuloy natin na ipaglaban ang ating kalayaan at pagkakaisa. So, dito naman tayo sa drawing. Ito. So, sa drawing dito, makikita natin dito, si Rizal, ito si Rizal. Hindi kasi ako magaling mag-drawing, pero ibigay ko yung best ko para dito. So, ito si Rizal, and nasa loob is yung flag, which is yung Philippine flag. So, pinapakita dito sa drawing na ito is yung pagmamahal niya and sacrifices niya para sa kanyang mahal na bansa, which is yung Pilipinas. Like, handa siyang mamatay para sa bansa niya. And sinabi niya rin ito sa ginawa niya na poem. So, itong flag na ito, dito, is, I think, na-drawing ko ito kasi dito nakamit natin yung kalayaan laban sa mga nanakop sa atin. So, overall, this is the famous poem na ginawa ni Rizal kasi ginawa niya ito bago siya namatay noong December 30. And it is also famous for its role in shaping Filipino identity and its literary excellence and its timeless message of love for country and commitment to freedom. And also, Rizal urges his fellow Filipinos to continue the fight for freedom and unity even in his absence. So, yun lamang po. Thank you so much.